Hello everyone, this is Shruti Saxena Das, and in today's video we are going to discuss about insertion sort. This sorting technique is based on comparisons. So you can remember the style which is used to arrange deck of cards. So each time you need to take one card and place it at its correct place. So here also what we are going to do, that we need to take each element, one element at a time at each iteration, and we need to place it at its correct place. So that is the gist of this algorithm. We need to maintain a sorted sublist. So you need to take one element from unsorted list, sublist, and you need to place it at its correct place in the sorted sublist. Now, an element which is to be inserted in this sorted sublist has to find its appropriate place, and then it has to be inserted over there. So how this algorithm will go? See, the first step of this algorithm says that if it is the first element, then there is no need to do anything. It is already sorted because we cannot make any comparisons. We are taking only the first element, so no need to do anything. Pick the next element. So after picking the next element, you need to compare with all the elements in the sorted sublist. So initially your sorted sublist must be empty. So in the first iteration, you need to check the second element with the first one only, because only two elements you have to consider for the first iteration. Then after that, you need to shift all the elements in the sorted sublist that is greater than the value to be sorted. You need to create a space. So basically, a space is created by shifting all the other elements one position to the right. Okay, each time you have to make comparison with the adjacent element, and then you need to create a space for this new element, and you have to shift it to the correct place. Insert the value and repeat the same procedure until the list is sorted. So this is the procedure. We'll discuss the example, and with the example we'll discuss the pseudocode also. Now see, suppose these are the elements which we want to sort. So these are the 5 elements: 30, 15, 35, 12 and 5. These are the elements. Now in this case, what we have to do, first thing is we need one loop which will run from 1 to n. Okay, as I said that we need to maintain two lists, sorted and unsorted list. Initially sorted will be empty and unsorted is containing all the elements. Now we'll start a loop from I. We are taking a loop I, and it is starting from 1 and it will go on till n-1. So what we have to do, you can see the pseudocode over here, that I loop is running from 1 to n. We are taking one variable and we are storing the value of a of I. So in this case, I is 1. So a of I is 15. So key will be 15. Then we have to take another variable j, and j will be I minus 1. So I minus 1 will be 0. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So j will be 0. Now what we have to do in the next line, you can see that you need to check that j should be greater than equals to 0. In this case j is 0, so this condition is fine, and we need to check that a of j is greater than key. Then only we need to perform swapping, otherwise there is no need to swap. So j will be always smaller than I. J is 0, that means a of j is 30, a of 1 is 15. So what we have to do in insertion sort, you have to insert an element at its correct place. So if the element which is coming after the first element is larger, then you need to place it at the first place. So what we need to do, 15 is greater than 30. You need to find out the comparison between a of j and key. Key is 15, a of j is 30. So if a of j, which is 30, is greater than 15, in that case, in a of j plus 1, that means here a of j is coming. What is a of j? A of j is 30. So what is happening? Basically 30, 30, 35, 12, 5. This is happening. that at a of j plus 1, you can see it over here, that if a of j is greater than key, in that case in a of j plus 1, a of j is coming. Okay, so that is what happening over here. So this is what happened over here. So j will be decremented after this. J will become minus 1 as j was 0. So j becomes minus 1. In this case, while condition will become false and will come out of the while loop, and after that a of j plus 1, in a of j plus 1 key value will come. So j plus 1 means 0. In a of 0, what will come? Key value. Key value is 15. So 15 will come. So here 15 will come. So 15, 30, 35, 12, 5. This will be the new list. Okay, now you can see that 15, this will come in sorted list, and 30, 35, 12, 5, these elements are in unsorted list. Again, we'll increment the value of I by 1, and what we have done, that for I equals to 2, key will be 35 because a of I is 35. Now j is I minus 1, j will be 1. I minus 1 means 2 minus 1, j value will be 1. So when you will compare a of j with key, a of j, what is a of j? A of j is 30. 30 when you will compare with the key value, a of j is not greater than key value. So while condition will become false. If while condition will become false, you'll come out of the while loop. After coming out of the while loop, see it over here. When you have compared these two things, this condition become false, so you'll come out of the while loop. After coming out of the while loop, we have to insert key value at a of j plus 1. Now what is the value of j? J is 1. A of j plus 1 will be a of 2. A of 2, we are inserting key value. Already 35 is there, so no need to do anything. Simply, we'll increment the value of I by 1. Now for I equals to 3, we'll again start. What will be the value of key? Key will be a of I. A of 3 is 12. So when you'll take 12, in this case, see what will happen. J value will be I minus 1. That means 2. 3 minus 1 will be 2. So we are going to compare a of j with key. A of j, when you'll compare with key, now key is smaller than a of j. 12 is smaller than 35. In this case, what we have to do? We need to replace it. We need to swap it. So what will happen? We need to swap a of j with j plus 1. Not swap exactly, we are replacing the value over here. So in a of j plus 1, that means j plus 1 means in a of 3, j is 2. So a of j plus 1 means 3. So at a of 3, a of j is coming. 35 is coming over here. So what will happen? 15, 30, 35, 35, 5. This is the new list. Okay. In the next iteration, in the same iteration, after replacing the value, we need to decrement the value of j by 1. Now j will become 1 now. So what you have to do again, j equals to 1 means this value. Okay. So you need to compare the key with a of j. Now when you will compare 12 with 30, again 12 is smaller than 30. So what we need to do, a of j should come in a of j plus 1. A of j plus 1 means a of 2. A of 2 means 35. So here at a of 2, what should come? A of j. A of j means 30 should come. So here it will be 15, 30, 30, 35, 5. Again, what we have to do? See the code over here. See what we are doing? We are decrementing the value of j by 1. See it over here. J will become 0. So we'll compare the value at j equals to 0 with key. So here you are having 15. 15 is smaller than 12 key value. So again, a of j will come in a of j plus 1. J plus 1 means at a of 1 here. What will come? A of j. 15 will come. So you'll get 15, 15, 30, 35, 5. Okay. After that, j will be decremented, j will become -1. This while condition will become false. You'll come out of the loop, and you can see it over here that in a of j plus 1, j plus 1 means this will become 0. -1 plus 1, it will become 0. So at a of 0, key is coming. So what is the value of key? 12. So 12 is coming at a of 0. So 12, 15, 30, 35, 5. This is the next iteration. Okay. So now this iteration is finished. Now you can see that 12, 15, 30, 35 till here you are having sorted list. Again we will start with I equals to 4. So for I equals to 4, key will be a of I, a of 4. What is a of 4? 5. Now we will start with j equals to I minus 1, that means 4. So again we need to start from here. Key is I minus 1, I is 4, 4 minus 1 will be 3. So we need to start from j equals to 3. Each time we have to decrement j value by 1 until a of j is smaller than the key value. So we'll start from j equals to 3. What is array of j? It is 35. You'll compare it with the key. As 5 is less than 35, what we need to do? We need to place the value of a of j, 35, at j plus 1. That means over here. So it will be 12, 15, 30, 35, 35. Okay. You can see it over here. A of j value is 3. So in a of 3 value is coming in a of 4. A of 4 means this place. So at this place, a of 3 value is coming, 35 is coming over here. Then for j equals to, j will be decremented, j will become 2. So when j will become 2, we'll compare array of 2. A of 2 is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. A of 2 is 30. So when you'll compare it with 5, 5 is less than 30. Again we need to replace it. So what we have to do? J value is 2. So a of 2 should come in a of 3. Here 30 should come here. So it will be 12, 15, 30, 30, 35. Again j value will be decremented. For j equals to 1, that means a of j is 15. 15 is greater than 5. So in this case, again replacement will be done. So what we have to do? In a of j, that means a of 1 value should come at a of 2. Here 15 should come. So 12, 15, 15, 30, 35. Okay. Again j value will be decremented. So we'll check with 12. A of j means 12. So 12, we'll compare it with the key value 5. Again 12 is greater than 5. So we need to replace it. What we have to do? A of j, that means at a of 0 value should come at a of 1. So it will be 12, 12, 15, 30, 35. Now you can see that when you'll decrement the value of j by 1, the while condition will become false. So you'll come out of the loop in array of j plus 1. J plus 1 means at a of 0, key is coming. What is the value of key? 5. So 5 is coming at a of 0. So it will be like this. Finally, you got this list which is sorted. Okay. So this is your insertion sort. In insertion sort, you need to remember that you need to place the element at its correct place. You can see it over here. We have taken the last element 5 and we have placed at first location. Okay, so you have to take each element in each iteration, one element in each iteration, and you have to place it at its correct position. This is one iteration only. For I equals to 4, we have done all this. Okay, So in each iteration, you have to take one element and you have to place it at its correct place. So that is the basic of this insertion sort. I hope you must have understood. In case of any confusion, you can post it in the comment section. Thank you so much.